Hey everybody, Uncle Buck here. Today we're going to see if we can turn this into something cool. At first this was just a piece in a scrap pile of some wood I bought. Then I actually looked the other side. It actually had some really beautiful grain in there. So if you watch my older stuff on my Facebook videos and stuff, you know I hate throwing wood away. So I figured let's try to make something out of it. And I got an idea. I think I'm going to try to make a challenge coin holder out of it. Just a nice flat basic one instead of throwing this away. So let's see what we can do. All right, so got her planed, all squared up, ready to go. Now we're just ready to do the edges and throw the grooves in it for the coin holder. Well, here she is, all wrapped up. Much better than going in the burn pile, in my opinion. Thanks for watching.